Let's make easy homemade naan. Add 3/4 cup of warm water and a little bit of the 1 tablespoon of sugar to a medium bowl and mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast and mix. Let sit 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. Transfer it to a large bowl and add the rest of the sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Then mix. Add 2 1/4 cups of flour, a little at a time, don't add it all at once. You may not need it all. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. Switch to a wooden spoon when it gets thick. Mix until a tacky dough forms. Place dough on a floured surface and knead it for 6 to 8 minutes, adding more flour as necessary. Put the dough in a bowl with a little bit of olive oil. Cover and let rise for 1 hour. Put dough on a floured surface, roll it and stretch it out. Then divide it into 6 equal pieces. Roll each piece out flat with the rolling pin or use your hands. Cook each side for about 2 minutes on medium-high heat. When you see bubbles, turn it over. Baste with butter if desired, and serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.